Timing is crucial at every distribution and logistics center. Well-timed operations must ensure the seamless flow of vehicles and of goods between storeroom and truck. Whether you deal with food, household goods, or sensitive products, you need to guarantee delivery excellence every time. Trucks need to arrive and dock at the loading bay safely and with ease. While drivers check in, distribution staff begin to load the trucks. Between storeroom and truck, internal high-speed doors must keep goods at the right temperature and act fast to keep up with activity. Automatic overhead doors keep the warehouse secure and sealed between loading. Automatic dock levelers ensure smooth passage from warehouse to loading bay to truck. Dock shelters protect from the elements while maintaining indoor comfort and improving energy efficiency. And load houses enable the entire loading process to happen outside the main building, keeping thermally sensitive environments separate. Easy-to-use integrated control panels make operations fast and functional, and docking guide lights give the all-clear for trucks to depart. Whatever the type of distribution and logistics center, ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems has a full range of entrance and docking solutions to help you meet your deadlines. And we support you through every stage of the building process, from building and installing entrances to maintaining and upgrading them throughout the building's life cycle. Our complete service agreements give you access to fast, high-quality service and repair. At ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems, we are proud to work closely with our distribution and logistics partners, so you can guarantee delivery excellence every time. Contact us today to find out more at assabloyentrance.com.